Dewalt FlexVolt miter saw not working with power cord or battery.
Do you know the model of your Dewalt miter saw? How old is it?
790 dirhams, 8 months.
How long has this been going on with your Dewalt miter saw? What have you tried so far?
It worked yesterday.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
It got wet moving from one job to other.
Thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is will be assisting you. Sorry to hear you are having this issue. The first thing I would do is clean the contacts on both the batteries and the miter saw. If it got wet recently, give it some time to dry out and try it again. If it still doesn't work, this saw comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service and 90-day money-back guarantee. Here is the warranty info: https://www.dewalt.com/legal/warranty/3-year limited warranty. Here is a link to Dewalt's Find a Service Center. I wouldn't tell them it got wet. I have a Dewalt miter saw, not FlexVolt, and it's been rained on a few times, no issues. They should repair it under warranty. https://www.dewalt.com/support/find a service center. Please let us know if we can further assist you.
It took too long. I call and got my answer from Dewalt faster on my own.
Okay, sorry we took so long to answer your question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.